Hey guys, it's Nelena Knives, and today I'm going to show you guys a look. I was actually requested to do a look today, so I am going to do it. Now, this look that we're going for is actually going to be kind of dramatic. I will put a picture in the thumbnail to show you how it'll probably look at the end. So I'm going to start by drawing in my eyebrows, and the only reason why I'm showing you guys how I do my eyebrows is because you guys need an updated tutorial on eyebrows. If this would focus. I'm going to use the shade Chocolate. And I'm doing my eyebrows super high arch just to add to the dramaticness of the eye look. NYX Precision Brow Pencil. And it looks like this. And on the other side, they have a spoolie. And now for your final step, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Eye Studio. It's, I don't know why my camera's not focusing today. Okay, it's a little dirty, but it's just like a little gel pot of eyeliner. But this is about $7, and it really makes your eyebrows, and it really makes sure your eyebrows are dark and full, and it doesn't smear, so it's perfect. Especially if you have oily skin, this is definitely probably going to be your holy grail, so look for it. And to prime my eyes, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Pretty sure we all know what that looks like. Sorry for the crappy focus. My camera keeps going in and out. So quick, I had a rabbit once. My neighbors ate it. So for a transition color, I'm not going to go for the normal like taupey color or light shade of brown. I'm actually going to go with a gray from the Kat Von D Pastel palette. Now I can't wait till our other palettes start like releasing. She recently told us that on Instagram she put this liquid eyeliner for the rim of your eye, which is going to be super cool. And I totally forgot this actually came with a mirror, so I'm probably just going to use this mirror instead of that large ass mirror. And so we're going to start. And I'm just going to do it like pretty high up, like to about right here, and just go in like a dome shape or a half circle and just buff that out. And skull is right here. It's a very intense white, probably the most intense white eyeshadow I actually own, and I love it. I'm just gonna fill it in like that. My BH Cosmetics brush, it's gonna look like this, and I feel like the angled brushes are the best option you have for this, what I'm going to do. Now, a little bit below where the top of your eyeshadow is, you're going to make basically a winged eyeliner, but on top. So what I mean is, you're going to take your liner from right here and then curve it in. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Saint & Center palette, and I'm going to use the shade Sabbath, which is the black eyeshadow here. And I'm just going to dip in there and go over our black line. Now, if you notice, I only did halfway because I'm going to blend the eyeshadow in here and just go over and basically buff it out to, it's almost smoky but still sharp. To do some winged eyeliner, and I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do winged eyeliner. I'm just going to be taking my Rimmel London Exaggerate eyeliner. It is liquid, but if you don't feel comfortable using a liquid eyeliner, then you don't have to. I'm going to, right there where that dot is, don't know if you can see it, and I'm going to just flick it out and then go all the way down. And then connect from the bottom and bring it up. All we need to do is add glitter, which I am nearly out of. Primer, which is absolutely amazing. It makes your glitter stick really well, which I love. It's not horrible quality, you know. Now I'm just going to be using a flat brush. I'm going to place a tiny bit of glitter glue on the brush, and I'm going to pat it over where we put the white eyeshadow. And then apply glitter. Tip that I recently learned, well, not actually recently, okay, starting over. If you see that you've gotten glitter inside of your winged eyeliner area, then just go over it again with a gel eyeliner. I find gel works a lot better than trying to use liquid over the glitter, because then it's a mess. It's a mess. But do whatever you want, and you know, just saying. Now it is time to prime your face. Now I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte. It is the mattifying makeup primer that's supposed to like reduce pores or minimize pores and do all that stuff. It's supposed to control your shine, minimize your pores, hydrate, has a hydrating feel, and smooth skin. Now, and then just blend. Now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Neoyork 24-hour Stay foundation. I'm pretty sure you guys heard a lot about this. A lot of mixed reviews out there. I absolutely love this foundation. It's like $10 at Walmart and Target, and $11.99 at Ulta and some local drugstores. This is definitely a medium to full coverage foundation. Definitely buildable, which I love. Not foundation. Shape Tape Concealer. It's a brand new bottle. My other one's like has maybe 2% left in it. This is in the shade Translucent and Extra Coverage, which I saw Extra Coverage and I was like, yes, yes. A lot of people get on me for like, why do you like full coverage? You don't even have anything to hide, or no pimples, no acne, and I just like the way it makes my skin look. And grabbing some on a damp beauty blender and going right underneath my eyes to bake. Contour, I am going to use this bronzer All Over Glow by Milani. And I'm just going to swirl the two colors. Okay, so this is something that I always love doing. Since I'm more of an eyes first person, I'm going to be using this Kat Von D in the shade Medium 52. Yeah, got it right. And my powder I've already hit pan on. It's an awesome powder, very fine, very pigmented. I wish the pans were a little deeper though, but that's just me because I use it a lot. But I'm going to grab a little bit on a brush and sweep it in between the space between the eyeshadow and the eyebrows. I'm at the Black Light palette from BH Cosmetics, going in the shade Strobe. Just a little bit, which is this shade right here. And just tapping that in right there. Tap it on a big e.l.f. brush and start going back in with this palette because I love it so much. Honestly, if you guys don't own this palette, you guys are missing out on like the bombest highlighters ever. And it's really, really great price. You get super large pans too, which is awesome. I'm going to go in with the shade Laser. I actually really like a lot of highlight, so I'm like digging this pan. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend it if you're more of a subtle highlight girl. Laser is kind of like a white shimmer with a slightly greenish yellow undertone, which I think is really, really beautiful. And yep, I found these at Ulta for like $2. I really like this shade. Now, these are not ones that actually stay on all day. You will have to retouch it depending on what you eat. But, yeah, really like it so far. Now I'm going to go in with my Rimmel London 001 Black. And I think it's a kohl eyeliner. I'm not too sure. It looks like this. Obviously, it's a lot bigger when you, buy it. But I've had mine for like a month, 2 months. And the upper lash band, because we're going to apply some falsies. Clean this, don't judge me. This is a lash curler. And I'm going to be taking my Rimmel London Scandal Eyes. Oh my gosh, I just like realized, like had a realization. Wow, I just had a realization that a lot of the products I use in here are by Rimmel London. And wow, they have really bomb products, guys. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. And while those are curling, I'm actually going to apply mascara to the lashes that are already there. This also helps prevent the mascara getting on your eye makeup. Little life hack for you guys. It and turning it also helps separate the lashes a little bit more. Same thing for your bottom lashes. You know, I honestly think I like sitting down and doing my makeup a lot better. I'm going to pop that on. Okay, going back in with Sabbath, which was that black shade. And I'm just going to sweep that underneath my lower lash line. At least I'm going to use the setting spray. And this one's by Hard Candy. And just like the gum, I am extra. So I'm going in with the Pop Luxe Nightlife Highlighter over my setting spray. Now, what I like about Nightlife is that it actually glows in the dark. Yes, a glow in the dark highlighter. It is amazing. I love Pop Luxe so much. Nady is so cute, so funny, and I just love his reviews. They're really honest. He will tell you the tea, okay? Love it. Super glowy today. Now this does have a tiny bit of green tint, but and also the closing, I love the way it closes. Hear this. Oh, so satisfying. I love it. Okay, now I think that'll be all for today's video. I'm just going to fix my bangs because I hate my forehead so much. It was like a nightmare filming this entire video just because my forehead was exposed. I have it. That is the tutorial for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and possibly even share this video with a friend. And tag me on Instagram, N3L3NAKNIV3Z. It is the same in all social media, even add me on Snapchat. And I will see you guys next time. Actually, very shortly, I'm going to be doing a first impressions using all of these little palettes, mainly swatches.